There we go, guys. We got the 6-piece Skil kit. Two batteries and a charger, 4 amp hour and a 2 amp hour. Lots of bags. Let's show off some of these tools. We got the 6-piece Skil kit. Comes with the 5 3/8 circular saw, 12-volt inflator, 12-volt brushless multi-tool, 12-volt brushless right angle. That's the one I'm excited about. Little work light, a drill driver, 2 batteries. The neat little feature, don't forget to save these little caps. You can use those like stealth mounts. Hang them up on your wall if you want to, till they come out with some. And of course a charger. Figured I'd spare you guys the sound of a bunch of bags being rustled around. So I'm excited to show these off to you guys.